Hey y'all, this is Pengowski, second video. I decided I'll introduce you to all my animals. They ain't all here, but I'll introduce you to as many as I can right now. And maybe a second video I'll introduce the rest. This girl is Callie. That's short for Miss Calico. She was a wild kitten that we found. Over here is, hey, slow down. He's George. He's another one of the kittens, her brother. Yeah. I don't know where the others are. Oh well. George has a twin brother named Fred, and then another brother named Angel. So back here, that is Sunshine, not our dog. My uncle's girlfriend's dog. She hates me. Can you see yourself? Sunshine. Hi, Sunshine. Okay, and back here is where we have our dogs. Dang it. Alright. I can't see. Alright. That one is Crystal. That one's Magnolia, the hound dog. This one's Maggie. The gray one, I don't know if you can see her. Yeah, there she is. That's Star. The one tied up is Coco, and the other one's Chico. A lot of dogs. Over here, hey, what you doing? YouTube. That goose is Schofield. I hate you watching me while I do this. That one's Alex. Those two black ducks over there is Sadie and Darklin. And then that duck is Daphne. Hey, can you see yourself?
Yeah.
My brother. That was my uncle. That's the duck pond, which has not actually been pumped very good. Usually gets pumped better with me and my brother doing it, but this is my uncle. He don't know how to do it that well.
I got fired. Because I got overheated and Jeremy didn't like it. You had a stroke or something?
So, that's all I can find. I'm trying to find the rest real quick. We live in Texas. Right now it's like 109 degrees. Very hot. I don't know if I can find the rest or not. Nope. The other cats are most likely underneath the house, being cooled off and all. We have a fan back there in the dog pen, in their dog house, to cool them down. There's one. Kitten, if you saw her, that just ran by. She's a wild one. But I don't know if you can see these cats. But under here is Fred. Back there is Fluff. Fluff is one of the eldest. So, that's all that I can see right now. Actually, I can't see anything right now. Oh, crap. I didn't realize I zoomed in. Alright then. That's basically all. I'm getting ready to go over my godfather's house, so see y'all later. Bye.